In 1984, a truck driver found a body behind a rest-stop dumpster outside Sacramento. The young woman had been dead less than 12 hours. Her hands were bound with electrical wire. Her throat was cut, but carved into her shoulder blade was a single word: next. Over 6 months, 4 more bodies appeared along the same highway. Each one marked the same way. For 30 years, nobody knew who did it, until a single photograph changed everything. Jennifer Caldwell, 23, waitress. March 18, 1984. Security footage shows her car breaking down after her midnight shift. She waves down a passing truck. She was never seen alive again. 36 hours later, her body was found. The scene was organized, methodical. She was positioned on her back, arms at sides, cleaned, hair brushed. Then that word carved into her skin. The FBI knew immediately. This wasn't his first time, and it wouldn't be his last. Over the next 4 months, 4 more women disappeared. Amy Richardson, 19, hitchhiking home from a concert. Lisa Monroe, 28, nurse. Christina Valdez, 21, bartender. Sarah Jennings, 32, graphic designer. All taken from parking lots late at night. All found at rest stops along Interstate 5 within 48 hours. All marked with next. The media called him the Highway Strangler. FBI behavioral analysts built a profile. White male, 30 to 50, works a job involving long-distance driving. Truck driver or salesman. Organized, intelligent, escalating. They interviewed over 300 drivers who used that highway. None fit. The killer was too careful. No witnesses. No DNA. This was before modern forensics. No fingerprints. No tire tracks. He wore gloves. He cleaned everything. Just that word. Next. Then in September 1984, the killing stopped. No 6th victim. No more bodies. The Highway Strangler vanished. The case went cold for 30 years. In 2014, Patricia Moreno was cleaning out her late father's garage in Oregon. He'd been a long-haul trucker for 40 years. She found a Polaroid. A young woman sitting in a truck cab at night. She looked terrified. Patricia posted it on Facebook asking if anyone recognized her. Someone did. Lisa Monroe. Victim number 3. Patricia's father was Robert Moreno. He drove trucks along Interstate 5 in the mid-1980s. He matched the profile perfectly, but he'd never been interviewed. His smaller company wasn't on the FBI's original list. Investigators pulled his old logbooks. Every time a body was discovered, Robert Moreno had been driving that exact highway within 12 hours. They searched the garage and found electrical wire matching the type used on victims, a hunting knife with blood traces. DNA matched 2 victims, and 15 more photographs of women in his truck. Some were never identified. At least 9 other missing women from that period could have been his victims. But Robert Moreno was dead. No trial, no confession, no answers. The FBI believes he either changed jobs, moved regions, or had a close call that scared him. The word next was psychological warfare. He wanted victims to know they were being hunted. Some investigators think he kept killing elsewhere, just changed his pattern. We'll never know. The case closed in 2016. 5 families finally got answers after 30 years. But here's the disturbing part. In the 1970s and 80s, the FBI estimates 30 to 50 serial killers were operating in the U.S. at any time. Most were never caught. Robert Moreno was methodical, patient. He stopped before anyone could catch him. If Patricia Moreno hadn't found that photograph, we still wouldn't know who the Highway Strangler was. Makes you wonder how many other killers are sitting in cold case files right now, waiting for someone to find that one piece of evidence. The hunt never really ends. If you want more unsolved mysteries and true crime cases like this, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Drop a comment below telling me what case you want covered next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.